Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Fitment channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see how to install the bonus wheel spacers on your Honda Accord. Let's go. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and thinner. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques in part resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industrial standards. If the high-quality wheel spacers are installed correctly, the spacers are safe. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.